How to avoid first-time buyer car loan mistakes. Increase your credit score and get the best price. Why getting a loan may be better than cash. Suppose you've recently graduated from college and landed a good job. You may want a new car to go with the job, but if you think forward a bit, you should also be thinking about building your credit to buy your first home too. Unless you have cash, the most affordable way to buy a car is to find an auto loan, which is both within your ability to pay and get you the car you need. Even if you could raise the cash to buy a car, getting an auto loan is an excellent way to start building your credit score. First-timers, watch out. If you are a first-time applicant for an online auto loan, there are some important things to remember to make your experience truly gratifying. Determine how much you will be able to amortize your loan each month. Loan amortizing explained. Amortizing basically means figuring out how much you can pay per month for the next 2 to 6 years for a car loan and choosing the option that is both comfortable for you financially, yet won't have you owing more in interest at the end than you needed to. For example, suppose you expect to be making more money by next year. You might take a car loan that is a little harder for you to pay now because in the future you'll be making more money and thus will be able to pay the loan off faster. Paying the loan off faster means you pay less interest. Avoid overspending. Just because you qualify for a bigger loan than you really need does not mean you should take it. Financial good sense is to choose a car and a loan that balances your actual need for reliable transportation with your ability to pay the monthly bill. Be a diligent buyer and know your limits so you do not land in financial hot trouble later. Stick to your budget. Otherwise, you will be starting off on the wrong foot. When applying online for auto loans, arm yourself with the documents needed to save time. Online loan companies will usually get back to you in a day or two after submitting your application and requirements. A precautionary tip: once you've narrowed down your options to 3 or 4 good offers, check out the history of the companies so you don't get involved with some fly-by-night or unethical operators. Don't jump at the first offer. You may need to get a car fast, but don't allow yourself to be persuaded by the first smooth-talking sales rep who calls you to sell you a loan package. It's important to understand that these sales reps are not public servants and they make their money on commissions, so while some will go to the effort to get you the best rate, others will just turn on the charm to get you to sign up with them. If you learned something from this article, please comment on it here or just go to the author's website about how to save money and get the right car loan for yourself at www.carloanfast.info and put your questions or comments there. A final word of caution. Get several offers from different loan brokers and make sure you read and understand the fine print. If you don't understand some of the words in the paperwork, always ask for explanation from the broker. And make sure you get a clear answer you do understand, because a loan with a great rate might turn into a nightmare if you miss a payment even one time. The author maintains a website with more useful information about how to get a car loan at www.carloanfast.info.